It's Friday the 7th of January 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking.
And the time starts now.
The Theme Park Insider Awards for 2021 have been announced, with new winners being the Velocicoaster, which won the Best Roller Coaster and Best New Attractions categories, and Untrainable, the How to Train Your Dragon show at Universal Studios Beijing, which won Best Show. At Walt Disney World, the renovated Best Western Hotel, that is now the Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando, Lake Buena Vista, is now accepting reservations for stays starting October 27th, 2022. There's been media days this week for the new Slingshot ride at the Icon Park in Orlando. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, the ride in Epcot, has dropped its virtual queue component. It's going to be switching to a traditional standby queue as of Monday, January 10th. SeaWorld Orlando has announced Passholder previews for their new Icebreaker coaster, which is starting on the 30th of January. Funspot America Atlanta has broke ground on their upcoming new coaster called ArieForce One. It's a 3,400 foot RMs. It's okay. It's okay. Daddy always runs out of time. Okay, ready?
Record.
Recording. It's recording. See, got the thing. Ready?
Yep.
You say, that's it.
That's it.
For Theme Park News in a minute. We'll be back next Friday with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, can you say cheers?
Cheers. Bye, Kaka.
Oh, look out for that. The Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando, Lake Buena Vista, good name, is now accepting reservations for stays starting the 27th of October this year.
Hey, Dad, say, look at this car.
Look at this car. Pretty good, huh? Get out of here with you and your car.